Hi guys, deck the halls with boughs of holly. Guys, welcome back to another video. It's that time of the season. Christmas is almost here. Even though I'm hearing that we're going into another lockdown, I already have a video on how I show you how I prepare my fruits for Christmas. But I'm gonna be soaking fruits, okay? I'm gonna be showing you how I prepare fruits for making black cake, rum cake, okay? And even though I had another video out on it, I don't mind showing you how I prepare um, fruits that the fruits I'm going to be making for this Christmas cake. So if you'd like to see how I prepare my fruits, guys, for Christmas baking, join me in the video till the end. Look what I got in the mail, guys. I got flowers, and in the end we'll open the flowers, okay? But okay, guys, it's for my birthday, and I haven't opened it as yet. And I just want to say thanks in advance, and we'll open it at the end, okay? At the end of the video, I'll open it. So guys, over here I have wine and my rum. So this is some wine I had from the last time I soaked. So this is like just a quarter bottle. I'll pour this on. I'm gonna be soaking all this fruits I have, at least most of it, because you know it's Christmas and I'm gonna be making batches of cake, and this is Deluxe fruit mix. So most of it I probably don't even have to measure. I'm gonna use all of this, so I'll just put half because I think I have to blend twice. I hope I'm not blocking you. I don't really think I have to measure, guys, because I'm gonna be using everything here. And then this is the cherries, glazed cherries. Put in half of that. Thompson raisin. I just want to get my fruits to cover. I just want to get my wine to cover the fruits. So guys, I'm just here pitting some prunes. You pit your prunes, check it, even though it might, if it says seedless, still check it to make sure there's no seed, because these tough seeds, right? These hard seeds will go into your blender and overwork the blade or break it. So this is like 3/4 cup of prunes, not too much prunes. I pitted the prunes, remove the seeds, and just in case you, I didn't measure, but just in case you want to know, the mixed fruits, what I have already there is like a cup of mixed fruits and a cup of the glacé cherries, that container, and the Thompson raisin, a cup. And here I have yeah, more Thompson raisin, but this one looks darker than, yeah, this one looks a bit different, like darker than the other one I had. What do you think, guys? You think they look different, or it's the same? Same, I guess. Maybe same. I'm going to put some rum. Okay, so because I'm going to be making a lot of cake, let me put one of this. Okay, this rum, amount of rum, the quart full. And if I need any more rum, like, I'm not going to bake right away, guys. I'm going to have this soaking, okay, because it's November 20th today, and Christmas is like, what is it, 6 weeks or 5 weeks away? Let me pour some more wine on this, and I'm gonna blend away. Well, let me get my tamper stick, guys. I'm gonna be putting it in this bottle I have washed out. Soaking fruits for Christmas 2020, guys. And I'm hearing that Toronto is going down for another lockdown for what, 3 weeks? Guys, I want to get as much cake as possible, okay? As much cake as I can, so I'm just going to use up all the fruits I have. Some people don't really blend their fruits out too much, but I blend my fruits, guys. I blend it out because like some people don't like to taste fruits, so they don't like raisins. Some people don't like raisins, so when you blend it out, they will enjoy the cake. People eat it because they don't taste it, they don't chew on it. I need to leave some of this raisin behind because sometimes I bake stuff like Swedish tea ring and other stuff and I need raisins, so I'm gonna leave some behind and then put some more wine. So I'm not really measuring, guys. You just wanna, when you're soaking your fruits, the wine is covering the fruits, okay, or enough to get the blender going. And then the glacé cherries, or glazed cherries, I'm gonna put the rest onto it. And mixed fruits. So the choice is yours, what type of fruits you wanna put into your cake. Whatever fruits you enjoy with your cake or you rather bake with. Put a little bit more wine. Put some more rum. I had a cork in that, guys, so one more cork, okay? And I'm good. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, 'tis the season to be jolly. So I ended up putting what, a whole bottle and of Red Label wine. Red Label wine is my favorite wine. I don't know what your favorite is, guys, but whatever wine is your favorite, feel free to use that wine to soak. So guys, I won't add any more rum to this. I think that rum is enough. If I'm adding anything when baking, it would be the wine, not the rum. I'm gonna let this sit for maybe 2 weeks before I start baking. Or if I decide to bake before, guys, I'll let it sit for a couple of days. There it is, and you just cover and leave it out on your counter. Just leave it out on your counter to take on all the rum, the wine. Take on the rum, the wine. Guys, so many people would like to taste the cake, so I have to bake enough to share for a lot of people, right? So everybody can, well, those people I have access to can taste. It's Christmas time, that's what people do, bake cake and allow other people to taste it. And there it is. Fruit soaked for Christmas 2020. Fruit soaking for Christmas 2020. Okay guys, I want to get a couple of cake from this fruit that is soaking. Guys, we don't throw away these bottles when they're empty. We save them for when it's time to make the sorrel drink. Then, you know, the fact that wine is in the bottle, it only makes sense pour the sorrel into it. You know, you pour sorrel and fill your bottle out. So these are red label wine bottle, at least I don't throw out. Okay, I save it for my sorrel, and most Jamaican people don't throw it out. So there I have fruits ready for Christmas 2020. Okay guys, so let it just rest there for a couple of, like a week or so, or a couple of weeks, and then I get baking. And what was I gonna share with you guys? Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Like, comment down below, okay? Oh, the flowers. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and comment down below. So I got flowers from my sister. She sent it, and it came late. It came late after my birthday, and I just want to say thank you, sis. Love you, and thanks. It's the thought that counts, okay? And yeah, the flowers, I never opened it before, so I'm gonna open it now. But as long as it's in the package, it stays fresh. Dinner salt. That's just how it works. Come on, you get 15%. To place another order, you get 15%. Okay. Thank you, Nikish. Love you. Thanks. She sent it for my birthday, guys. And that was so thoughtful of her. Look at it. It is beautiful. Thank you. Look at it, guys. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I love it, Nikish. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. It's beautiful. 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 Oh my lord. Look at this. I love these flowers. Guys, comment down below, please. And subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Thanks for joining me in another video, guys. And guys, don't forget my playlist, okay? I do have playlist with lots and lots of videos, okay? So please go over to the playlist and check out those videos, that especially videos that like 4 months back when I just started YouTube. Make sure you watch those videos and comment down below. And this flowers is really nice. I love the rose. I love the color too. The fact that it's not red, I love it. Thank you, Nikish, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day.